To set up direct deposit in the Workday app, start by logging into your Workday account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, navigate to the main menu and select the Pay option. This will take you to the Pay dashboard where you can view and manage your pay-related information. From the Pay dashboard, click on the Payment Elections option. This will take you to a new page where you can view and manage your payment elections, including direct deposit. Click on the Add Account button to start the process of setting up direct deposit. You will be prompted to select the account type, either checking or savings. Choose the account type you want to use for direct deposit and enter the required account information, including the account number and routing number. You can find this information on a check or by contacting your bank. Once you have entered the account information, click the Continue button to proceed. You will be asked to confirm the account information and authorize the direct deposit. Review the information carefully and click the Submit button to complete the setup process. After submitting the direct deposit setup, it may take 1 or 2 pay cycles for the changes to take effect. You can verify the direct deposit setup by going back to the Payment Elections option and checking the account information. It is also a good idea to check with your bank to confirm that the direct deposit has been set up correctly. Best practices for setting up direct deposit in the Workday app include double-checking the account information to ensure it is accurate, keeping your account information up to date, and monitoring your pay to ensure the direct deposit is working correctly. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily set up direct deposit in the Workday app and enjoy the convenience of having your pay deposited directly into your bank account.